Want the secret to a dry, healthy basement? Let's talk about sump basins and why they're essential for your home. A sump basin, also known as a sump pit, is a hole at the lowest point of the basement, or a crawl space. It's designed to collect water and usually sealed with a lid. A pump in the pit cycles water out and away from the foundation. Simple, right? But do you really need one? If your home has a high water table, water pooling around the foundation, or damaged gutters, a sump pit is a lifesaver, especially with heavy rains or snow. Remember though, a sump pit alone isn't enough. A full waterproofing system with a sump pump and drainage gutters is your best bet at keeping your home dry. This system prevents serious problems like mold, wood rot, water damage, and even pest infestations. Think of it as your first line of defense. Pro tip, have a professional install your sump pit. They have the right tools and the know-how to avoid issues like foundation damage or drainage problems. DIY is great, but not for this. Investing in a sump pit and waterproofing system can save you thousands in repairs, and more importantly, keep your family safe and healthy. Want to learn more? Call Groundworks today.